Hi, boys and girls. For today's phonics lesson, you will need to go to packet marked December 18th and find the page that we've been working on for the last 3 days. It's titled Beginning Sounds. You will need a pencil to write the missing letter. Okay, so we're going to be looking at the sound at the beginning. That means the first sound in the word. So we're going to go back and retrieve um, the name of each word. It says first we're going to say the word, and then next we're going to bounce on the beginning sound, and then we're going to write the letter of the sound that we hear. Okay, so we're going to start right here, and our picture is sun. So let's bounce together. I'm on my ball, and sun, sun, sun. It's the letter S. You're going to write with pencil. I'm going to use my marker. Now we're going to get as far as we can. We write the missing letter S. I go to the next word. It is a mop. Remember? Here we go. Mop. 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 It's the letter M. It looks like this. Little line, over, little curve, letter M. I say the picture, rat. Are you ready to bounce? Here we go. Rat, rat, rat. It's the letter R. That's right. Little line, up and over. The word is rat, the beginning sound. Our last picture in that row is a top. So we put top in our mouth and we bounce together. Let's do it. T, t, top, t, t, top, t, t, top. It's the letter. That's right. T. Big line, frog hop, little line. We go to the middle row. Now we're going to do as many as we can together. When we run out of time, we'll have to stop, but you're going to finish your work at home. So what is the picture? That's right, bat. Let's bounce. B, b, bat. B, b, bat. B, b, bat. It's the letter B. Big line, little curve. The picture is net. Are you ready? Here we go. Net. Net. Do it with me. Net. It's the letter N. N is a tricky one. You just have to keep trying and trying, right? And practice and practice. Little line, frog hop, little curve. The next picture is sad. Let's bounce. And sad, sad, sad. It's the letter sneaky S. That's right. Little curve, and then back around, little curve. The last picture in that row is rug. Let's bounce. Rug. 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 It's the letter R. That's right. Little line, up and over. Last row. It's a picture of a box. Let's bounce. Box. 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 It's the letter B. That's right. Big line, little curve, letter B. The next one is a tag. 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 It's the letter T. That's right. Big line, little line. Going here with the nut. Ready? And nut. 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 It's the letter N. N. And the very last one is mad. 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 It's the letter